I wanted to do a trade recap on my Gbpusd trade, an analysis that I posted out on Tuesday. Okay, so this was the before, and this is basically the after. Okay, uh, so as you can see from this image here, price. Let me just go over why I took the trade here. So we saw that on the 4 hourly, the market was making a retracement. Okay, for a higher low. We know that last week candle was really bullish. Okay, see how it closed. So I knew that momentum was going to continue. All right, and the daily, of course, on Monday, closed had a slight pullback, which gave me that entry opportunity. So on the 4 hourly, okay, um, I had this Fibonacci drawn on, which you can see from the analysis. Okay, let me just take one out. We had this we had a retracement to the downside here. Okay, and the main reason I took this trade from here was this key level of support that was 1.31875. Okay, so we reached into that region multiple times, one, two, and then we had one, two, three morning star formation type setup on the 4 hour time frame, which interpreting it on the 1 hourly, we can see that we had like a break of resistance here. Okay, resistance here, and of course resistance here. So from this picture here, I think it was on the 30-minute time frame here where I already saw a nice and clean break at price trading above this trend line area of resistance before I entered. So that was a quick 53 pips. Okay, I took my profit at 1.3 to 500 key psychological area resistance. Yeah, I knew price too still pushed a bit higher, but who cares? Now, with that done, I was still on the charts through the day, more or less looking at how uh, GU is going to. So what's next on GU? For what's next on GU? Now, what's next on GU? I was looking at this. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, so we went from A to B. As you can see, we're currently at 100% retrace, an area that also correlates with the low of the last candle, previous daily candle. So unless price trades below this region, okay, that's when we'll start looking to change direction, which also correlates with the 4 hour low of structure. So we've had a higher high, higher low, higher high, currently at 1.31875, and 100% area, which is basically a retest of support here. So on throughout the day, I was more or less watching out for this pair, okay, to see if there's going to be any kind of retracement, because if I wanted to sell, it would have been close to 1.325, but I didn't quite get up on time for this move, okay, and I didn't really want to trade against the current trend momentum. So what I'm looking out for on this pair, or what I'm looking out for is the same pattern I looked out for here. Will be a break of resistance. Right now we have an area here. Okay, and if using the lower time frames, we could also add trend lines area of trend line areas of resistance, okay, something like that. And of course, the 1 hourly before price to break this resistance, and if a new resistance does form at 1.31875, I would more or less move my support or the resistance area down to this region. So uh, I'm looking to enter at 1.31875. Okay, so that's still an option on this pair. Um, but I'm still looking out for longs as long as we're above trading above this low. Okay, and the 100% on the Fibonacci. So that Yeah, guys, that's the trade recap and analysis on crypto updates. Have a good trading day.